If you want to turn off sensitive content on X or manage what sensitive media you see, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. This is helpful if you want to customize your X experience, reduce content warnings, or make sure your settings match exactly what you want to see in your timeline and search results. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software and app guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your X account. Once you're signed in, look at the left-hand menu and click More. This opens up the full list of account options and settings. Next, click Settings and Privacy. From here, you'll be able to adjust your account preferences and content controls. Now click Privacy and Safety. In this section, X gives you controls related to your feed, discoverability, and what kind of media is displayed. After that, click Content you see. This is the area that controls whether X shows media that may be marked as sensitive. If your goal is to allow sensitive media to appear, turn on display media that may contain sensitive content. This means posts flagged as sensitive can show up in your feed. After that, go back one step and click Search Settings. Here, turn off Hide Sensitive Content. That change allows sensitive content to appear in search results as well. Now, if you actually mean the opposite and you want to hide sensitive content from your timeline and search, the process is just reversed. Go back to Content you see and turn off display media that may contain sensitive content. Then go into search settings and turn on hide sensitive content. That setup helps filter more sensitive posts out of your search results. The reason this is important is because many people mix up the two settings. One controls media visibility in your timeline and posts, and the other controls what appears in search. So if something still isn't looking right, double check both places to make sure your preferences are set the way you want. Once you've finished, go back to your main feed and refresh X to make sure the changes have taken effect. In some cases, you may need to close and reopen the app or sign out and sign back in before the new settings fully apply. That's completely normal. And that's it. You now know how to turn off sensitive content on X and also how to reverse the setting if you want to hide it instead. If this guide saved you time, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.